Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be full of fun. Here we are going to show you different techniques that you can create with the help of the yarn. Moreover, we are going to show you different type of the stitching ways that are so cute. With the help of the needle and the thread, you can create a different pattern. So let's begin for the first one. Here we are taking the different yarns and after that we are folding them into the different directions as apparent on your screen. You just have to create some of the knots at the center area. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused for these type of the crafty activities. Once you are done with this, you just have to fold it. The leftover threads are to be trimmed down and the eyes are to be attached. It's a cute little parrot that you can see. Let's move towards our another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create these beautiful flowers. First you just have to take the yarn and you just have to over a pencil, and after that you just have to build it more like a parrot here, one after the another. We are following the each step properly. Once you're done with it, you just have to detach it from the pencil and you just have to fold it at the center like we usually do for making the pom pom. Once you're done with this, you just have to repeat the same process with the different colors, and at the center we are going to place a bead that's going to decorate it more. With the help of the glue gun, you can attach it with a star. First, you just have to take the empty bottle cap and after that you just have to fix it over this sheet of the paper. After that, you just have to take the jute fiber and you can see how we are making this circular shape out of it. With the help of the glue gun, attach all the circular shape that you have created over this plastic bottle, and you can see how cutely we have created a hat. Now you just have to trim down the leftover area. You can more decorate it by creating a bow of the different color using the yarn again, and it looks so cute and so beautiful. At the center, we are attaching some of the beads so that it will look more attractive. Let's move further. You may require some of the earbuds, you may require yarn, you may require glue gun, you may require pliers. You just have to trim down the one edge, and after that you just have to take the empty plastic bottle cap, and after that you just have to attach all these trimmed sticks together one after the another. Now you just have to take the yarn and you just have to cover the whole area with the help of this yarn and decorate it with some flowers. It looks so cute. For this one, you just have to take this cardboard piece that's smaller and is circular in shape. You just have to tie down some of the yarn over it. Once you're done with it, you just have to repeat it in the same process, and the tassel area is to be kept open. Once these tassel area is to be kept open, you just have to place them from the inner side and pull it from the outer one, and after that tie them together using the another yarn string. And this looks so cute and so beautiful. Try to make the cutting from the top area so that it will represent a pom pom. First, you just have to take actually the paper pin. After that, you just have to convert it into the heart shape. Now you just have to take some of the thread and you just have to cover it whole with the help of the thread one after the another. Once you are done with it, you just have to trim it down. Thank you for watching.